The DJI company has released a new action camera, DJI OSMO Action 4. DJI has created a very small and extremely light camera weighing only 145 grams. Externally, the camera is almost identical to the Action 3. The camera has a round lens cap, which can be considered the most obvious difference from the GoPro line. The basic Osmo bundle includes the camera, a battery, a USB-C cable, a couple of sticky mounting pads, a magnetic mounting base, and a cage with a side mount for vertical filming. Camera comes with a curved helmet mount, a strange innovation because in the previous version, the mount was flat. Includes a replaceable 1770 mAh battery. A long press allows you to turn on the camera, and a short tap switches shooting modes. The Osmo relies on a removable, magnetic mounting clip, whereas the GoPro integrates its mount points into its body. The front screen isn't just for monitoring. It also works for quick settings changes. The new sensor captures more light and performs better in low light. So in twilight and dark rooms, DJI OSMO Action 4 performs better than the previous model and GoPro. You can just take a GoPro and be like everyone else. There is nothing wrong with this though. On the other hand, it's worth taking a closer look at and discovering a number of advantages. There is excellent stabilization, as well as water protection at a depth of up to 18 meters and video recording in 4K at 120 FPS. Enjoy!